Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through exactly how to create a new project in Fusion 360, a vital step for keeping your 3D design files organized, secure, and easy to find as your workflow grows. Proper project management is the secret to staying productive in engineering and product design, and by the end of this video, you will be able to set up a new workspace in seconds. If this guide helps you streamline your design process, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more professional software tips. Let us jump right into it. First, launch your Fusion 360 application on your computer and make sure you are logged in to your Autodesk account. Once the main interface loads up, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like a small grid of squares. This is your Data Panel button. Click on this and a sidebar will slide out from the left. This panel is your control center for all of your cloud-stored data. At the very top of this menu, you will see a button labeled New Project. Go ahead and click that. A small text box will pop up where you can carefully type in the name for your new project. Make sure you use a naming convention that makes sense for the specific hardware or product you are working on to keep your cloud drive clean. Once you have entered the name, click the blue Create button. The system will take a moment to synchronize with the Autodesk Cloud, and within seconds, your new project will appear in your project list. You can now double-click that new project to enter it, and you are ready to start saving, uploading, and managing all your designs within that dedicated space. It really is that simple to maintain a perfect filing system for your CAD work. Remember, if you found these steps helpful, hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you never miss our next software deep dive. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.